Today I'm going to share how hiring a coach is preventive maintenance in your business. Tune in. Good morning. Thank you for joining me, Coach Michael, on your Monday morning. Today I want to share about how hiring a coach is preventive maintenance in your business. We have cars. As long as we're doing the preventive maintenance, getting the oil changed, getting the tires rotated, our cars will last longer. But here's something interesting. God made us human. I really believe being human is a liability. It takes us our entire lifetime to figure a whole bunch of stuff out, to show up right, to do the right things. Some people do a good job at it, some people don't. In business, if we're left to our own devices, we all have blind spots. We're going to sometimes miss stuff. We're going to sometimes procrastinate on a decision that should be made more decisively. We're going to sometimes avoid having the tough conversations. We're going to sometimes maybe hire too fast or fire too slow, opposed to hiring slow, letting people qualify to represent our brand, and firing slow because we don't want to hurt any feelings, or we're leading from a place of fear that if we let them go, we're going to fall behind. This is all self-sabotage. Sometimes we just do stupid stuff. Having a coach is actually preventative maintenance to keep you on track of doing the little things you need to do in your business to keep it moving forward. Having a coach also gives you the ability to have somebody challenge you, to encourage you, to take you outside your comfort zone, to share the strategies, the solutions, the systems, to create a business that works more for you. When you're stuck personally with some type of situation and you cannot get out of your own way, you vent with your coach and have your coach get you back on your A game so you could be who you need to be for your clients, for your team, for your family, for your organization. We all need a guide. But I was having a conversation with somebody just recently, and I realized, wow, coaching is preventive maintenance. Me having two coaches, they will keep me from making stupid decisions that might sabotage a relationship or sabotage my success. And that is priceless. So don't think hiring a coach is just about getting to the next level. Sometimes getting to the next level is not necessarily the different things we're going to apply in our business. More importantly, sometimes to go to the next level with ourselves and our business is to stop doing the stupid stuff that is sabotaging the progress of our greatness. And only a coach that is really aware and challenging you can catch that stuff when we alone aren't catching it. So coaching, it's not only a vehicle to help you become better, your team become better, your organization better. It just might keep you on track from doing some silly stuff that doesn't serve you, your organization, or your business. I hope this has given you something to think about. As always, I want to thank you for joining me, Coach Mike, on your Monday morning. I want to wish you a productive, profitable week. Go get them. I'll see you next Monday. Be well.